Yes, so now I think network problem is also okay and everything is fine. So I'm live now. So let's see. I will wait just for a few seconds to join the audience. Yes. Yes, now is okay, I think. So is my voice is audible to you now? So please confirm me so that I can start the session. Yes. People are joining us. I think now everything is fine. So first I will have a session, and after that we will take your queries with Mr. Dharmveer. And good evening to all of you. So I would like to thank you everyone so being here and to give your precious time to me. And I'm Komal Sharma, and I'm India Manager of Campus Canada. Today we will talk about my college, and I will give you some information how you guys can apply your applications in my college, and which services and which facilities our college is providing to all of you. So we are really sorry for the inconvenience earlier, and we took your more time, but now everything is okay. So I will continue with my session, right? So welcome, Mr. Dhamveer, and I hope now everything is okay, and. Lyson College, its location is Brampton, and this college is existing from 1996. एंड 1996 से हम अपनी सर्विसेज आपको प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं एंड द लाइजन कॉलेज इज़ द वन ऑफ द बेस्ट कॉलेज in culinary arts and hospitality industry. So the students who wish to make their career in culinary arts or want to settle down their career in hospitality industry, they can join different kind of programs at our college, and they will get the good in study from there, and they will get the more opportunities to settle down in Canada after completion of their study in this field. If I will talk about Lyson College, its location, I already told you it's a Brampton. So it's a good location, students' preferable location, and this is Ontario State, so very famous city. And our community, Punjabi people are also there to, so our students feel more comfortable in our community. So you will not feel any kind of problem over there, and our college staff is really very cooperative staff, and they are helping you out in everything, राइट सो अगर मैं टेम्परेचर की बात करूँ सो व्हाट विल बी द टेम्परेचर हेयर इन ब्रैम्पटन तो टेम्परेचर इज़ नॉट सो हॉट और सो कोल्ड सो इट्स adjustable and if we will see like it's 27 high in July and -10 in winters, so students can join the winters as well, and they can enjoy the summer as well over there, and there are very good places also in Brampton to visit. There is a few places I can mention here, Red River Theatre over there, so Gage Parks there, so many other places are also there. So if I will talk about the very famous place Niagara Falls, it's just a 1.5 hour drive from here. And if I will talk about the population, so population is even less than Jalandhar in Brampton city, because it's just 600,000. If I will talk about Jalandhar's population, it's over 1 million. So students can easily settle down over here. This is not a crowdy area, and it's this area, Brampton is adjoining with the Toronto. It's the main city of Ontario state, so it's just 30 minutes away from Brampton. It's just 30 minutes drive, so students can have the big city exposure in the nearby your town. So it's a good opportunity for students to study and settle in Canada and in Ontario state and in Brampton, and you will have a really very good lifestyle in this Brampton location. If I will talk about further which programs we are offering to students, the most famous course is culinary arts and hospitality operation management course. This course is really a very good course for students, and students can make their career in the culinary arts stream, and they can be a professional chef, right? So if I will talk about the facilities, you know, how college is teaching you, this college would really have well equipped kitchens in our college, and we have Canada's best chefs here. So best chef से पढ़ने का आपको यहाँ पर you know facility मिलेगी, तो students can even get the more good you know study, and they will teach you with all the advanced and practical methods, and they will also teach you all the French cuisine methods as well, and the what is the demand of today's restaurants, so they will teach you according to that. So student will learn the quality, creativity and presentation as well. So this is really a very good course in culinary arts and hospitality, so students should join this course, and requirements are also very adjustable, like every student can apply for this course. So if I will talk about the requirements for this course, we require only 12th with 50% overall, and IELTS test 6 overall, 5.5 in 2 modules also acceptable for this course. So this is really a very good course for students, those who wish to apply for the culinary arts and hospitality industrial studies. Another courses, we do have business range courses as well. In business range courses we have business administration course, and we do have business management course as well. So if I will talk about these courses, students who wish to make their career in business stream and they have done commerce from here in their 12th in commerce stream, they can apply for this course, and students can get the very good skills, and they can study with up to date and advanced methods from our college for these courses as well. So if I will talk about the further graduate students, so these diplomas are for the undergrad students who has done their 12th and want to move to Canada for further studies. And if I will talk further for the graduate students, graduate students can learn the diploma, PG diploma in project management. This diploma is really a very good diploma. Students will learn all the skills how to handle a difficult project. You will get the business or IT, both of the skills in this course. And in this course you will learn about the Gantt chart, you will learn about the work breakdown structure, you will learn about the how to operate softwares and applications. So this is really a students can study this diploma, and who has completed their graduation in any stream. Any stream means like if student has done BA, that is also eligible for this course. If any student has done BBA, that is also eligible for this course. If any student has done BCA or BSc, every student is eligible for this course. So this is really a very good course. And if I will talk further, what is the academic requirement and what is the language requirements in our college. So students who has completed their study with overall 50%, they can apply, either they are undergrad or they are postgrad, right? So for UG and PG programs, we are accepting 50% overall academic requirement. And if I will talk about the language ability, so we are accepting 6 overall bands in IELTS, and 5.5 in 1 or 2 module is acceptable. And if I will talk further regarding the other language test like PTE or TOEFL and Duolingo, so all tests are acceptable in my college. And if you will see, like you can apply with 50 overall PTE score as well. Even we got really very good visa success rate with PTE as well. And if you will see another Duolingo, we are accepting 105 score in Duolingo as well. So students who has not completed their IELTS test due to this COVID-19, so they can apply for the conditional offer letters. admissions. We are open for September 2020. Students can apply their applications. They can hold your seat. You can hold your seat for the September 2020 session even without IELTS as well. So without IELTS students ਨੂੰ opportunity ਮਿਲ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ ਆਪਣੀਆਂ ਸੀਟਸ ਬੁੱਕ ਕਰਨ ਦੀ ਸਾਡੇ ਕਾਲਜ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ. ਸੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਤੰਬਰ ਇਨਟੇਕ ਦੀ ਆਪਣੀ ਸੀਟ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਉਹ ਬੁੱਕ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਹੋ ਬਿਨਾਂ ਆਈਲੈਟਸ ਤੋਂ ਵੀ. ठीक है. और ਜਿਹੜੇ स्टूडेंट्स का +2 ਦਾ ਰਿਜ਼ਲਟ ਪੈਂਡਿੰਗ ਹੈ, result declare nahi hoya, it's a good opportunity for those students as well. They can apply their applications for the September 2020. They can hold their seats in our college. If I will talk further, what is the impact of COVID-19? सो कोविड-19 का क्या इम्पैक्ट है कि प्रभाव पै रहा या स्टूडेंट्स की प्रोफाइल्स ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ स्टूडेंट्स की एप्लीकेशनस ਦੇ ਉੱਪਰ कि ਸਾਨੂੰ एप्लीकेशनस इस सिनेरियो ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਪਲਾਈ ਕਰਨੀਆਂ ਚਾਹੀਦੀਆਂ ਆ. Yes, surely you can apply your applications. If you all are thinking you will apply your applications for January 2021, then you could lose your seat in your preferred university or preferred college, because colleges or universities have limited seats. So if you really want to have your choice study, you want to choose your choice of college and university, you should apply your application for September 2020. And later when you will hold your visa, then you can do one thing. You can if due to any reason, if flights will not open or due to any reason you could not able to travel, then college or universities are supporting you all students. We are providing that deferment to you for the another intake. We do have October and November intake as well, so we will defer your application for the next intake if you will lose your सीट ड्यू टू एनी रीज़न. बिकॉज कोविड-19 के रिलेटेड अगर मैं बात करूँ तो कोरोना की अभी तक कोई भी मेडिसिन प्रॉपर या फिर उसका कोई वैक्सीन अभी तक बनी नहीं है. सो वी आर नॉट श्योर कि ये ऐसे डे बाय डे हमारे यहाँ पर तो इंक्रीज हो रहे हैं केसेस, बट कनाडा में जो सिचुएशन है वो बहुत ही स्टेबल हो चुकी है. कनाडा इज़ आउट ऑफ डेंजर नाउ. देर आर नॉट मैनी केसेस एंड ब्रैम्पटन की भी सिचुएशन जो है बहुत ही ड्रॉपफुल हुआ है वहाँ पर, और कोरोना तो ऑलमोस्ट खत्म हो रहा है वहाँ से. ठीक है. हमारी कंट्री की अगर बात करें तो वी हैव ह्यूज पॉपुलेशन हियर. ठीक है. ओवर वी कैन से and from another countries, if I will talk about, it's a so huge population of 33 millions and all. So it's a huge population, so it will take some time to cure from this corona virus from our country, but another countries are getting stable, right? So students will have opportunity. They are going to open the international flights as well in August. So September 2020 students can apply for the applications, and it's a good opportunity for the students to apply their applications. So if I will talk about further, how students will they face any problem over there? No, you will not face any problem. Even government is supporting our students. If you will see the students who are already there, who are already studying in Canada from last year, government is supporting them even in with the money as well. They are transferring some money to support them. Our college has distributed the groceries and every kind of support they are providing to our students. So I think it's a really very good thing. Students will get the good opportunities over there. So students should apply their applications, but they could wait for the travel, whenever the situation will be fine they can travel, but college or universities are with you. So you guys can defer your offer letter later on, but you can apply your applications. Even immigration has mentioned on the CIC site, students can apply their applications without the medical, without the biometrics as well. They will give you the additional 90 days time to provide the pending documents. When you will complete the document, then they will make a decision on your application. Otherwise, due to any missing document, they will not refuse your application. So it's a really good opportunity for the students to apply your applications and just come over from this situation, because the whole world is suffering due to this COVID-19, but we will not let your dreams suffer. So we want to help you all. So that's only reason we are providing you the seminars from different universities and colleges, and as the Godwit team is really doing very good. They are providing all the facilities, and they want that their audience, their students, their associates all will stay updated. That's the only reason they have arranged the webinars for their students and associates. So it's a good thing actually, so you can get yourself up to date. We are providing you all the latest information. If you guys have any queries, any questions, you can leave your questions in the comment box. I will join Mr. Dhamveer here, and then we will have your question answering session together here. So I'm going to add sir in this live session. So I hope it will work. Sir, are you live right now? I couldn't see you actually. Right. Okay. So I think sir is not live because it's not showing to me. Let me find again. I'm sorry, I'm not going to add sir because I couldn't do that actually due to some, I think, network problem or some technical issue. I couldn't join sir here. So if anyone have any queries, you can leave your queries here in comment box. I will sort it out, and later I will finish this live session, and then we will see like if we could join you together again. And yes, and students who has a studied from ਓਪਨ ਬੋਰਡ ਸਕੂਲ, ਸੋ ਓਪਨ ਬੋਰਡ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟਸ ਲਈ ਵੀ ਇਹ ਖੁਸ਼ਖਬਰੀ ਆ, ਲਾਈਕ ਅਸੀਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਐਪਲੀਕੇਸ਼ਨਸ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਆ ਉਹ ਅਸੈਪਟ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ, ਐਂਡ ਓਪਨ ਬੋਰਡ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟਸ ਵੀ ਅਪਲਾਈ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ ਇਨ ਆਵਰ ਕਾਲਜ ਫॉर ਐਨੀ ਕੋਰਸ, for business stream courses as well, for culinary or hospitality industrial programs as well. And Lysen College has really job oriented programs only. So the students who has already completed study from our college, they are working with prestigious restaurants. And here I would like to also share one more information. Lysen College helping their students with the their program, with their current, we can say, added program, that is CAPS. So CAPS is a service kind of like it's a career action plan service. So career action plan service के थ्रू क्या होता है कि हम स्टूडेंट को गाइड करते हैं कि कैसे अपनी जॉब अप्लाई करनी है, हाउ टू प्रिपेयर योर CV, हाउ टू कंडक्ट योर इंटरव्यू, एंड वेयर शुड अप्लाई फॉर द जॉब्स, वेयर इज द वैकेंसीज, वेयर you can apply and where you will get the job. So we are guiding our students how to apply for the jobs as well after completion of study. If I will talk about the culinary art and hospitality operation management course, students will have a 6 months internship also in this course. That will be a paid internship, right? So student will get the paid internship in this we can say a course. So it's a really very good thing for students to study at Lysen College and get this opportunity, and they are settling you down also in your we can say in your life, and we are finding a jobs also for our students, and we are helping you out in every way. And classes are very small over there, and we are providing really very good study over there. And we have more practical classes as well for the culinary programs, and students learn the all programs they will learn, and they will get the good practical skills also, and it's a good opportunity for students to study from here. And ਇੱਕ ਗੱਲ ਮੈਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਹੋਰ ਦੱਸਣਾ ਚਾਹਾਂਗੀ, ਲਾਈਕ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟਸ ਹੂ ਹੈਜ਼ ਲੈਸ ਪਰਸੈਂਟੇਜ ਇਨ ਐਨੀ ਪਰਟੀਕੂਲਰ ਸਬਜੈਕਟ, ਲਾਈਕ ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਸਮਟਾਈਮ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਆ ਕਿ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟ ਦੇ ਓਵਰਆਲ 50% ਹੈਗੇ ਆ, ਬਟ ਕਿਸੇ ਇੱਕ ਸਬਜੈਕਟ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, ਮੈਥਮੈਟਿਕਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਔਰ ਜਾਂ ਫਿਰ ਕਿਸੇ ਵੀ ਹੋਰ ਸਬਜੈਕਟ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜੇ ਕਿਸੇ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟ ਦੇ 34 35 36 numbers है गया, means below 40 है गया even, those students can also get an opportunity to study in our college. So students ਦੇ ਜੇ ਕਿਸੇ particular subject ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਵੀ number ਘੱਟ ਹੈ ਗਿਆ, I will repeat in English again, the students who has less percentage in any core subjects, they can also apply their applications in our college. They can join any program, right? So we do have 8 types of culinary and hospitality industrial programs, and we do have 3 types of business stream courses as well. So students, it's up to your eligibility criteria how you will apply your applications and for which course you are eligible. So you just need to scan your documents and share with the Godwit Overseas email ID, and then I will make an assessment on your application and I will get back to you. So any student who want to contact me direct, they can contact me through Godwit Overseas Education Private Limited, because Godwit Overseas जो है वो हमारे ऑथराइज्ड पार्टनर है, बिजनेस पार्टनर है, तो हमारी अवेलेबिलिटी जो है उनके साथ है. तो अगर कोई भी असेसमेंट करवानी है या कुछ भी, तो यू कैन कॉन्टेक्ट मी एज वेल थ्रू Godwit Overseas only. And I will see the questions here. Ritu Dugal. Yes, Ritu. How many PG programs in Lyson College? Lyson College have 3 types of programs, but for PG program, we do have PG diploma in project management. This diploma, Ritu, is a combined diploma with the, we can say, like बिजनेस प्लस IT. सो बिजनेस स्ट्रीम कोर्सेज जो स्टूडेंट करना चाहता है उसको भी इसमें इंफॉर्मेशन मिलेगी, एंड द स्टूडेंट्स हु वांट टू स्टडी फॉर द IT स्ट्रीम, दे विल आल्सो गेट द नॉलेज अबाउट IT स्ट्रीम एज वेल, एंड वी विल गिव यू द अपडेट्स लाइक हाउ टू ऑपरेट डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ सॉफ्टवेयर्स एंड एवरीथिंग एज आई मैंशनड अर्लियर. सो रितु, PG डिप्लोमा हमारे पास यही है, PG डिप्लोमा इन प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजमेंट. गैरी टिलो, गुड, थैंक यू गैरी. पूनम ढिलन, we hear that Canada government are not supporting in students, like इंटरनेशनल स्टूडेंट्स को वो सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं. अगर आपने देखा होगा तो ट्रूडो government already supporting the international students, and they are sending the money in their accounts as well, and they are helping also. If you will see, like Poonam, we are also helping, our college is helping, our students has some volunteers, they are helping. So सारे जो universities हैं, colleges हैं, वो भी initiate ले रहे हैं to helping international students. So don't you worry, like you cannot say, because Trudeau government already has announced that. Yes, there are few students who has just recently visited Canada in last semester, right? So they were saying they are not getting money in their account. So how will they get? Because हेल्प उनकी ही करते हैं सब, जिनके पास कुछ नहीं होता, जिनके पास जॉब नहीं है, उनको वो प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं. उनके पास ऑलरेडी उनका GIC पड़ा है. whenever they will be in any difficulty, they will support them, because कनाडा गवर्नमेंट की अगर आप साइट पे जाके देखो तो दे आर हेल्पिंग स्टूडेंट्स इन मैनी वेज. ठीक है, ऐसा नहीं है कि वो उनको सपोर्ट नहीं कर रहे हैं, बट उनके पास अभी के लिए GIC अकाउंट में उनके पास इनफ मनी है टू सर्वाइव ओवर देयर. तो जो स्टूडेंट्स को इन रियलिटी हेल्प की ज़रूरत है, उनकी तो हेल्प हो रही है. जिनके पास अभी जॉब्स नहीं है और उनके पास उनका GIC भी नहीं है, दे आर दे ट्रेवल देयर बिफोर 1 year, सो एवरीवन इज गेटिंग द हेल्प. माई कजन इज देयर, ही इज गेटिंग द हेल्प इवन, right? So they are helping. I will share the CIC site link also with you. After how many days student will get the offer letter? Very good question, Poonam. Yes, student will get the offer letter within 24 to 48 hours. Yes, we do have very good, and we do have DLI number. DLI number every college should have. It's a designated learning institute number. So ये हर कॉलेज के पास होना चाहिए who wants to deal with the international students, and we do have valid DLI number, and sorry, and our DLI number has really very good visa success rate. So if you will apply your applications, you will get the very good visa success rate as well, right? LTWP, yes. As Ritu, this is a private career college. Surely, you can, after completion of your 1 year study, student can take the credit transfer to from our college, and they can join any other college, and surely they will be eligible. Or if I will talk about the 20 hours work permit which student will get along with their studies, surely they will get that. Thank you for your question. Pardeep Moria. So, what is the impact on visa success if one or two module bands in is 5.5 and overall 6? If I will share Pardeep last March 2020 intake result with you, I got really very good success rate. So, my college success rate, if I will talk about, few agents got 100%, otherwise 70% success rate is there. So, it depends upon the agent as well how they will apply your applications. Luckily you are with Godwit Overseas, they are expert in this, so they will prepare your good SOP. So visa is depend upon the SOP as well, statement of purpose as well, right? So surely you will get the वीज़ा एज वेल लाइक हाँ 1 5.5 के साथ तो बहुत ज़्यादा चांसेस होते हैं, सम टाइम 2 5.5 के साथ हो जाता है कि लाइक देर विल बी सम टाइम देर विल बी लेस सक्सेस रेट, बट nowadays you will get visas, no worries. We will prepare your good SOP and you will get visa. Just share your documents with the Godwit team. College will give job placement. Yes, Poonam, college is helping students to get the job in different restaurants and hotels, and they are providing the internship as well if student will complete the course from college. And surely we are helping through our career action plan service. Students can apply for jobs and they can take the help from liaison team. Liaison staff is very cooperative staff, and they will help you help every student to apply their jobs. बैकलॉग एक्सेप्टेड, यस जी बैकलॉग एक्सेप्टेड है, बट आपका कोर्स जो है वो कंप्लीट होना चाहिए. And students can share their applications with at info@godwit.in. So students, I am repeating again, their email ID is info@godwit.in. So आप इस email पे documents अपने share कर सकते हो for the assessment. And Godwit every overseas education's contact number is 636664 63664. I think it's a wrong number, sir. You have typed 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. There is 11 digits actually. Please write your number again so that I can repeat a correct number to the students. And are they accept gap or without reason? Okay, so Poonam, your query is related to gap. This is a very good question actually, and we are accepting study gap as well. There will be 5 to 7 year study gap is acceptable, but student has to provide some justification. Justification kind of, मैं ये नहीं कहूँगी कि आप कोई भी duplicate documents बनाकर लगाओ उसमें, नहीं, आपको SOP में बताना है what you have done actually in that time period. So we will fix your application. Surely you can apply with study gap as well. College will give accommodation to international students. Yes, colleges are arranging the accommodation for the international students. If student need any type of help, if student need, we are helping them out. हमारा जो कॉलेज है वो फ्री एयरपोर्ट पिकअप भी प्रोवाइड करता है स्टूडेंट्स को. सो स्टूडेंट कैन गेट द फ्री एयरपोर्ट पिकअप इफ दे आस्क अस टू अरेंज देयर accommodation. We are arranging their accommodation as well. Structure for every course in our college is $13,500. It's a very reasonable fee structure. You're welcome, Poonam. No worries. Yes, their right contact number is 63664. So this is a right contact number of Godwit Overseas. You guys can contact Godwit Overseas on 63664. So मीनू भी याद हो गया नंबर. Right, so I think it was a really good and interactive session. So, students, if you have any queries, any questions, I would love to help you all. So, please write to Godwit Overseas, share your applications with Godwit Overseas, and we will, provide you every kind of help to apply your applications. And I'll be there also to help you all. Yes, Pardeep Moy, I have one more question now. How many days classes in a week? It depend upon the course. Depend upon the course means like if student has joined the culinary art program, there is some practical classes as well. So student will attend the classes maybe 3 to 4 days, because student has to learn the practicals as well na. That's why. Or otherwise in PG diploma there is 2 days classes only, and maximum 2 to 3 days classes. Yes, Rituji, 13,500 1 year full fee for a diploma. Yes, बिकॉज culinary आर्ट्स और हॉस्पिटैलिटी इंडस्ट्री में तो हम लोग हर वैसे तो हर कोर्स में ही प्रोवाइड करते हैं एवरी मटेरियल फीस एंड एवरी स्टूडेंट किट फीस, एवरीथिंग इज इंक्लूडेड इन दिस फीस. हम ऐसा नहीं करते यहाँ से आपसे $10,000 ले लें, वहाँ पे जाके आपको बोलें स्टूडेंट को कि नाउ यू हैव टू पे $3,000 टू extend your classes, you need to buy a student kit or anything like that, right? So we will give you every material which is required for the student within this fees only. We will not charge anything extra. PG program fee structure. So for every course fee structure is same, that is $13,500 for 1 year fees. This is for PG programs as well, this is for UG programs as well. And any other question if someone have? Right, so I think I have pretty much done with the session, and we have try to sort out your all the queries, and unfortunately due to some technical issue I couldn't check down with me, but we have really very good news for you all, and we will be live again second week of July, and we will give you one more good news about Lysen College. Then I'll come live joining with Mr. Dharmveer, and we will take then also your queries as well. So students who wants to apply their applications, I want to announce that if they will apply through Godwit Overseas and Lysen authorized representative, so they will get the 50% application fee waiver as well. So otherwise हमारी जो application fees है that is $200, and student will get the only $100. Otherwise it's a total $250. $50 we already waived off for the students, and now we are waiving off the $100 more for the students. So student will get the offer letter only within $100. Right? So 50% application fee waiver we are providing to our students. So if you want to apply your applications, please contact God. Thank you for the for your time as well. No worries, Poonamji, thank you, and always welcome. If you have any doubts, still you guys can come to me. Thank you so much. Bye bye, take care.